Welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. In a very short way, I'm going to show you how to make your tallow fat for cooking at home. This is my tallow. Kindly find the link on the benefits of tallow. Very wide, and why you should stop using seed oils. Very good for boosting your cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and displacing the bad cholesterol. I'm going to put in my saucepan, and it must be fresh. This one, mine is very fresh, you can see. I'm going to cook it on moderate heat. You can see already we are getting the fats now. They are melting slowly, so we are going to reduce the heat so that we cook our tallow on low heat to make sure you don't burn it. Make sure you don't burn your tallow. Make sure you don't burn your tallow so that you don't end up with a dark tallow that tastes very bitter or that tastes funny. But make sure that you just take your time when doing this. Just melt the fats on moderate heat, and that is what I'm doing. We're going to give it some time. It's going to take some time to melt, but already you can see already we got some. You see, stop using seed oils because they bring trouble. Most of the health issues are connected to the seed oils. And you use tallow fat. That is so good, and that is so convenient and economy friendly, because most of the times we do away with this. When we buy the meat, we do away with this. It boosts the brown fat. Kindly make sure you use your tallow very well. It doesn't oxidize. That is the good thing with the tallow fat. Very good. You can keep it for long, and you can cook it on. You can use it to fry your food, to do any frying that you need. You can do any. It is heat stable. That is a good thing. Most of the oils, like you can see olive oil, you can use it, but it is not heat stable. It's going to break down on the process. You see? A lot of fat. Make use of the tallow. This is so convenient, very cheap. Now our tallow fat, cooking fat, is ready. You can see it is brown, you see, and crunchy. You see, it's crunchy. I'm going to put off the heat. Then I'm going to sieve it now. I'm going to use the strainer that you use, must be heat stable, like this one. My fat is golden in color, not brown. You see? I'm going to leave it here to cool a bit, and then I transfer in my jar that I use for my cooking oil. Now, these ones I'm not going to discard them. I'm going to use them to cook my veggies. You can use them to fry your cabbage. You can put in your cabbage, fry the cabbage with the tallow fat, with the crunchy ones. They're very good. Don't waste them. Do the veggies like other veggies like spinach, like kales. There are very many. Any greens that you want to cook, just cook with this one. Don't throw away. If you want to flavor your tallow fat, you can either do this before straining the crunchy fats. You can put anything that you want to alter the taste with. If you want to add the flavor, like for example, you can put, this one is the original one. That's why I didn't put the anything. You can do the rosemary. That is so good. Like mine now, I'm going to put the rosemary and just strain it after a few minutes before it solidifies. Now this is what I do. You can, instead of doing this, You can do straight. Before you strain, you put together with the oil, the fat, and then you give it some time, like 5 minutes before straining. And then I have my fenugreek seeds that are very good for tastes, and also they are full of benefits. They are going to give your fats a very, very tasty and delicious taste. Now, this is what I'll do. You can see, wow, the aroma. Very nice, very, very nice. And you're going to like, this is a tablespoon of fenugreek. Added some flavor. I've just added some flavor to cool a bit, and then I strain. Before it solidifies, I should be able to strain this. And then putting my fenugreek. This is the best stage actually for using the flavors, the natural flavors like the fenugreek. You can use cinnamon if you want, whatever flavor you want. But this one will be very, very tasty, because doing this, you're not going to lose any nutrients from the rosemary or the fenugreek. And I'm giving it some time. Just going to give it some time to cool a bit and for the flavor to be incorporated. And then I'm going to strain it before it solidifies. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm so grateful. Kindly be watching my videos. I'll put on notifications for more videos, and kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, that you're going to learn more and more. And for people who want to lose weight, kindly use tallow fat from any animal. That is very good because it burns fats and it replaces the bad cholesterol that is in your body. God bless you so much. Thank you so much.